Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Churro, and welcome back to another episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats, and we live from New York. And so today, wait, hold up, my phone's ringing. Wait, where's my phone? I think it's my grandma. Hold up. Oh, here's my phone. Hello? Wait, what? Coinbase filing for an IPO? What? Hold up. I gotta tell my followers. Wait, I'll see you later, grandma. Yo, you guys heard the news. Coinbase is looking to file for an IPO. And let me give you guys my 3 reasons why Coinbase is seeking an IPO. Let's go. So if you guys didn't know, an IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. And what that means is that Coinbase is trying to list itself as a stock on the stock exchange like Amazon, Uber, Airbnb, who else? Microsoft. You know what I'm talking about. And so the way an IPO works is that before the stock gets listed to the public, before the public is able to buy the stock, it goes through a process where it is sold behind doors to investors and other companies that are interested in investing in Coinbase. And so it's basically like a private sale, like a VIP private sale. That's what I'm trying to say. And so guys, I think this is an interesting move by Coinbase, and I'm not surprised at all, especially at this moment, at this specific moment, because right now Bitcoin is at like, I think 23,000 right now, 23K right now, which is super high right now. And they're trying to take advantage of all of this commotion and expand everywhere. And that means expanding into Wall Street and stock investors. And so my first reason why Coinbase is looking for an IPO is to reach out to hardcore investors, like stock investors specifically. And Coinbase is basically trying to be like, all right, come on stock investors. Like, I know you guys are scared of crypto because it's risky and it's volatile, but we are offering stocks now, so you don't have to worry about that risk. And so you guys could be in the back chilling while we'll be at the forefront of it. And so I think Coinbase is doing this to build a bridge between stock investors and crypto holders like us, like myself. And when Coinbase launches its stock, like, stock investors probably won't be as skeptical about crypto and the whole entire space overall. And another reason why Coinbase is looking for an IPO is to cement its place in the crypto space and build credibility for the crypto space by hitting up one of the biggest banks in the world called Goldman Sachs to do their IPO. And when you hit up the Sachs, it's gotta be, it's always something serious, it's always something big, and it always gets tons of media attention for it. And so if this happens, Coinbase will be numero uno, the first crypto exchange to go public, and we will see Coinbase at the stock exchange in New York City ringing the bell with a bunch of Wall Street heads. But yeah, I think with the IPO, Coinbase will be ahead of all of its competitors like Binance, and I think this will motivate Wall Street and old investors to look into crypto as their alternate investments. And my final reason why Coinbase is looking for an IPO is to reach out to new users and new audience, and that is the general public, guys. And I think it is working so far because the amount of media attention Coinbase has been getting from this announcement, it's crazy. You got news coming from the New York Times, CNN, Business Insider, and many more like Bloomberg. And this will definitely generate huge benefits for Coinbase. Like, everyone reads the news these days since we have the ongoing pandemic, and so I'm sure that everybody's keeping up with the news, and this news will definitely grab the attention for people to learn, the general public to learn more about crypto. And speaking about learning about crypto, my friend, he recently told me that he was at a Barnes & Noble store a couple days ago, and he was in the blockchain crypto section at Barnes & Noble, and the whole entire aisle was empty. So all those physical books about crypto and blockchain technology, it was all sold out, it was empty. And so that is crazy, guys. That is pretty insane. And overall, guys, I think that the move that Coinbase made was actually really smart. I like it, guys. It was cool. I like it. Smooth move right there. And the reason why I like it is because they're reaching to new audiences like stock investors and Wall Street heads, and and because of this, it will really help them solidify their place as being one of the greatest crypto exchanges out there. And I believe that when they do release the Coinbase stock, I believe that it'll be probably worth as much as a Tesla or Amazon stock, only because the technology behind Coinbase that they're working towards, it's really innovative and stuff like that. So I really think that the Coinbase stock will probably be really high, and so because of that, I'll probably scoop one up before it blows up, just to diversify my investments. It'll probably be the first stock that I have, so I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this news. Let me know, what do you guys think about Coinbase looking for an IPO? Like, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on all this Coinbase stuff, all this Coinbase IPO news. And yeah, guys, it's time for me to go, and I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and I hope you guys can like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats, and peace from the beast.